Have you ever wondered what a full-size sledgehammer looks like from Rainbow Six Siege? Of course, this is equipped by Sledge in-game, and this is a full-size replica, so this thing's massive. 3D printed and painted, it looks incredible, and this was made by an amazing maker, so we'll have a link in the description below to like all their socials and that, and you can go check them out, and they sell these hammers. So yeah, this thing is impressive, and it came well packaged in a very long box. And it's got a metal bar through the middle of it to give it some rigidity and all that. And here she is in all her glory. Unfortunately, I don't have a big space to work with to actually show this off in full size, but I do have at the end of this video scaled pictures so you can see what it looks like next to a computer mouse and stuff like that as we pan over it, and some real nice beauty shots of it. So yeah, this thing's cool. Like, look at that. The texture on it is amazing as well at the ends of the hammer and also at the top. And I can compare it to a smaller version that we do have as well. But the bottom is actually the bit, I don't know what it is, those like bulbs at the bottom look so freaking cool in person, and the size of it is hard to comprehend indeed. And this is the thing, computer games are great, but it is kind of a problem sometimes getting scale and figuring out how big things are. Like this here is a half-scale hammer that came with the collector's edition, and you can see how big of a difference that size is. It's crazy. I do like the black paint job on the other one, but I gotta say the silver is also very nice too. It's just a bit too clean, it needs some weathering. I'm not going to do that though, I'm going to leave it as is. Don't want to ruin it. But I will be making my own one. I'm going to 3D print my own one and do my own custom paint job and see how I get on. I don't think it's going to look brilliant, but we'll see what I can pull off. But yeah, this thing is just gorgeous. And now let's take a look at scale. So here is a normal computer mouse, and here is the head of the hammer. So this gives you a real good sense of scale, I think. And of course, the whole freaking length of it. So that is something else. So yeah, beautiful. It looks incredible. It is an amazing kind of set piece to have. And of course, if you're doing cosplay or stuff like this, you can definitely get this as well. It'll make your Sledge cosplay incredible.